Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to recover Steam account. For that, first of all, open up your Steam app on your phone. After you open up your app, on middle section of your screen you'll see the option of forgot your password. Tap on it. For now, I'm going to show you how to recover your account if you have forgotten your password. So tap on the first option that says I forgot my Steam account name or password. Enter your email address or your phone number. Then tap on the square box in front of I am not a robot and solve puzzle to verify you're a human. After you are done, tap on search. If you have access to your email, tap on the first option to receive a verification code. Now you'll receive a verification link on your email, so open up your mail. There you'll see the option of resume recovery. Tap on it. After that, select reset my password. Then set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. Be sure that your password has uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. After you are done, select change password. Your password has now been updated. After that, tap on sign in to Steam. Enter your Steam account name and the password you have recently set. After you are done, select sign in. This way you can recover your Steam account if you have forgotten your password. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.